Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, confirm node. JS and Git are installed, then open your project folder and initialize version control. Clone the repo or run npm init to scaffold files and install core dependencies with npm or yarn. Create a env file for secrets and make sure git ignore excludes it. Once done, open the app in your editor and run the development server. This immediately reveals errors so you can iterate fast and avoid wasted setup time. Now you build the core, scaffold components and define routes, then connect them to backend APIs or mocked endpoints. Implement one feature at a time and commit changes on a feature branch. Push regularly so CI can run tests. Run unit tests locally, then integration tests that exercise API calls and UI flows. Use linters and formatters to keep code consistent, and make sure to review failing tests immediately so bugs are fixed before they propagate into the main branch. Finish by creating a production build and optimizing assets. Minify JS/CSS, enable caching headers, and set environment flags to production. Deploy through your CI/CD pipeline to staging first, run smoke tests, then promote to production once stable. If something breaks, check server and client logs immediately, reproduce the issue locally or in staging, and apply a hotfix on a separate branch if needed. Make sure to communicate rollback plans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.